Hey, Side Hustle Geniuses! Welcome back to another episode of Side Hustle Genius. I'm Alam, your guide to transforming big ideas into bigger profits. Today, we're talking about a hustle that's as stylish as it is lucrative: starting a furniture business. Let's explore how you can craft a thriving furniture business and scale to make $15,000 a month. Why furniture? The furniture industry is booming, thanks to trends like sustainable living, DIY home design, and e-commerce growth. With people constantly upgrading their homes and offices, there's no shortage of demand. Drills, sanders, and clamps. If you're into upcycling, add paint and finishing materials. Workspace. Strategy.
Marketing and sales. Marketing is key to standing out in the furniture industry. Here's how you can do it. Social media. Share photos and videos of your work on Instagram and Pinterest to attract clients. Website. Create a sleek online store showcasing your pieces with prices and delivery options. Partnerships. Collaborate with interior designers and home staging companies. Exhibitions. Participate in local fairs or furniture expos to showcase your designs. Customer engagement. Offer customization options and build relationships with clients for repeat business. Estimated timeline. Here's a roadmap to get started. Week 1-2. Research your niche, gather tools, and test a few designs. Week 3-4. Set up your online store, register your business, and plan your marketing. Month 2. Start selling to local clients and fulfilling online orders. Month 3-4. Refine your production process, expand your offerings, and promote heavily. Month 6. Aim to grow your client base and consider hiring help to scale your operations. Cost breakdown. Here's what you'll likely spend to start your furniture business. Tools and equipment. $2,005 materials. $5,002 initial inventory. Workspace setup. $5,001 market. $3,080 for your website and social media ads. Licenses and insurance. $2,005 in total. You're looking at an investment of $3,500 to start potential earnings. Let's talk numbers. First 3 months, $3,007 per month as you build your brand. 6 months, $8,012 per month with a steady customer base. 1 year, $15,000 plus per month is achievable if you scale production and boost marketing. Pros and cons. Here's the lowdown on running a furniture business. Pros. High demand for unique furniture, creative and fulfilling work. Potential for significant profits. Cons. Requires an upfront investment, can be time-intensive, heavy competition in the market. And that's your guide to starting a furniture business and making it a $15,000 a month side hustle. If this inspired you to take the first step, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more ideas on Side Hustle Genius. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling smart.